Today I'm going to walk you through how to calibrate an Apollo chair scale and how to tear out the gel pad. First I want to point out a couple things here. We have our gel pad here, we have our 25-pound certified weight, we have the scale indicator, the chair itself, and over here we have a cheat sheet. If you look here on the cheat sheet, we have the Apollo overlay, which is here on the indicator itself. The reason I'm pointing this out is there are two hidden buttons. Underneath the P, we have a recall button, and underneath the O, we have a pounds kilogram button. I'm going to go ahead and turn the scale on. There's a startup sequence. It'll show you 1200, the software revision, the battery voltage, and then go ahead and display the weight. I'm going to put it into calibration mode. Go ahead and depress the on zero button, followed by the pounds kilogram button. Scale says Cal 0. Make sure that nothing is touching the chair itself. And we're going to go ahead and depress the on zero button. Scale is going to count down from 8 to 0. If for some reason the scale jumps back up to 8, you may have bumped the chair or you may have a loose connection. Indicator says C25. We're going to go ahead and place the 25-pound weight in the center of the chair. We're going to wait a little while, make sure that the chair is stable. We're going to once again depress the on zero button. Once again, it will count down from 8 to 0. If for some reason it jumps back up to 8, you may have bumped the chair or may have a loose connection. The scale reads 25 pounds as it should. Go ahead and remove the weight. Scale will say 0. I'll take a seat here. Scale reads 220 pounds. Goes back to 0 here. I'm now going to show you how to use the gel pad. If the patient requires that this is used, one will need to tear out the scale. We'll go ahead and put it on the chair itself. These pads weigh anywhere from 8 to 9 pounds. So we're going to go ahead and zero it out before the patient gets on. As you'll see when I sit on here, it will display the same weight again. 220 pounds. If the patient requires this not to be used, and it's already on the chair, all you have to do is remove it. And this time, we're going to have a negative weight. So before the patient gets on, we're going to hit the on zero button to tear it out again. We have 0 pounds, exactly what we should have. I just walked you through how to calibrate the scale and how to properly use the gel pad. Please note that if the gel pad is used, one will have to tear out the gel pad in either way, by adding it or by removing it. Thank you.